हम अमावस्या की काली रात की परिकल्पना करें, जब चारों तरफ अंधेरा रहता है, उस समय हजारों दीपक रखे रहते हैं, लेकिन हम अगर एक दीपक जलाते हैं तो उस दीपक की लौ से हजारों दीपक में रोशनी प्रज्वलित हो जाती है। तो आप एक दीपक के माध्यम से इस भारत के क्षितिज पर एक अपना प्रकाश पुंज प्रज्वलित करेंगे और ये भी प्रयास करेंगे कि आप जिस भी माध्यम से, क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा कि NIRD केवल हिंदुस्तान का एक अच्छा संस्थान नहीं है, पूरे वर्ल्ड का श्रेष्ठतम संस्थान है। बहुत सारी तकनीकें, बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग जो यहाँ दी जाती हैं वो वर्ल्ड में कहीं नहीं दी जाती। और आज आपको, और मैं समझता हूँ क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग के माध्यम से स्वरूप परिवर्तित होता है। हम अगर सड़क पर निकले और देखें तो पत्थर बहुत सारे पड़े होंगे, लेकिन जिन पत्थरों पर शिल्पकार की नजर पड़ जाती है, वो उसे छेने हथौड़े से तराश देता है, उस पत्थर के अंदर एक मूर्ति बन जाती है, बुत बन जाती है। सामने मिट्टी पड़ी रहती है, लेकिन जब वो कुम्हार की चाक पे चढ़ जाती है और चढ़ने के बाद जब उसमें एक रूप निर्मित होता है तो वो रूप अमूल्य होता है। तो आज आप अपने जीवन के उस महत्वपूर्ण पड़ाव में, आज आपको जो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा अवार्ड किया जा रहा, वहीं एक चुनौती भी दी जा रही कि आप निश्चित रूप से जिस तरह NIRD के डायरेक्टर जनरल और सभी लोगों की जो परिकल्पना है, उस परिकल्पना पर खरे उतरकर जहां अपना स्वर्णिम भविष्य निर्मित करेंगे, वहीं आप ग्रामीण भारत में प्रयास करेंगे, जिन प्रयासों के माध्यम से, प्रबंधन के माध्यम से हमारा पूरा देश विकास की एक नई धारा से जुड़ेगा। पुनः आप सबको मैं परम प्रभु परमात्मा से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि जिस भावना के साथ आपने इतने अच्छे संस्थान में ये डिप्लोमा प्राप्त किया, वो उद्देश्य आपके जीवन भर आपके मन मस्तिष्क में बना रहे। आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
We now move to the most important aspect of today's function, awarding of diploma certificates to the PGDIM batch 2 students. May I request the Honorable Union Minister kindly to award the diploma certificates to these students.
stand while taking the oath.
मैं ग्रामीण विकास विशेषज्ञ के रूप में शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं राष्ट्रीय ग्रामीण विकास संस्थान द्वारा स्थापित मूल्यों और नीतियों का पालन करूंगा। मैं संस्थान और राष्ट्र को वचन देता हूं कि मैं प्रतिबद्धता मन और समर्पित होकर ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों की सेवा करूंगा। अतः ईश्वर मेरी सहायता करें। I do swear that as a rural development professional, I will uphold the values and ethics instilled in me by the National Institute of Rural Development. I promise the Institute and the nation that I will serve the rural areas with commitment, passion and devotion. So, help me God.
Based on the academic performance of the students during the year, 3 medals are envisaged for the outstanding performance. The gold medal goes to the first performer, first best performer, Mr. Mukesh Kumar. May I now request the Honorable Union Minister to honor the student by awarding the gold medal. The silver medal goes to the second best performer, Mr. Vivek Mittal. On behalf of the officials, Mr. Bhagwat Sikawat will receive the award. May I request the Honorable Union Minister to honor the student by awarding the silver medal. The bronze medal goes to the third best performer, Mr. Lalan Kumar Singh. On behalf of Lalan, Mr. Ashok will be receiving the award. The last medal, Esprit de Corps, meaning award for all-round leadership and contribution to the student community, is decided by the students themselves through voting. This award goes to Mr. Mukesh Kumar.
I now request the Director General, Sri Matthew C. Kumankar, to present a memento to the Honorable Union Minister. I now request the Registrar and Director Administration, Sri Amir Rao, to propose a vote of thanks.
I feel privileged to propose a vote of thanks today. Firstly, I express my heartfelt thanks to Honorable Minister, Sir Shri Pradeep Jain Aditya, for sparing his valuable time from his busy schedule and making it convenient to grace this occasion and bless the students. Sir, if you allow me to say, this अच्छे ढंग से आपने मार्गदर्शन किए हैं. सूरज ना बन पाए तो दीपक बन के चल, ऐसा गाना अच्छा मुझे याद आ रहा था. तो बच्चों को आपने ऐसा सुझाव दिया है, अंधकार से डरो मत, आप दीपक बन के आप खुद रोशनी डालिए. इतना अच्छा आपने बताया है. आपके सर आपके नाम भी आदित्य हैं. आदित्य हमारे सूर्य हैं. आप खुद सूर्य हैं और सूर्य का उदाहरण भी आपने दिया है. We are grateful, very grateful, sir. It's very moving speech actually. Our students also would have definitely benefited by your direction and vision for the future actually. It was so even amazing actually. Both of us, Mr. Kumar and myself, were wondering. The Honorable Minister has given so much thought for today's speech actually. So very moving, sir. Thank you very much. I take the opportunity to thank all the heads of institutions and also their representatives who have come from the neighboring institutions. It's an honor for us that you could spare your time. NIRD also places its on record gratitude to Ministry of Rural Development for their continued support. We get a lot of assistance and support from the ministry. We are grateful to them. And also Northeastern Council for providing scholarship and assistance to our students from Northeastern region. I also place on record my heartfelt gratitude to Professor Pratap Reddy who is here. We are grateful to you, sir. IIPA, IRMA, ASCII, IIT, Basics, Manage, CRISA, HCU, ISB, ILNFS, ITC, FICCI, ICSCI, and many other professionals and development practitioners who contributed to the curriculum development and also the content growth. From NIRD again, I take this opportunity to thank PGDRDM course teachers and external faculty who taught our students with high levels of commitment and competence and to mold them as the Honorable Minister said and also our Director General mentioned, rural change agents and rural change managers. I also thank all eminent personalities who have taken time to be here to make study for representations. Dr. Durga Prasad has actually mentioned about them. They include Medha Bhaskar ji, Dr. B.D. Sharma, Professor Madhav Menon, Sri V. Ramachandran, Sri S. Narsinga Rao, CMD of Singareni College, and also Bela Bhatia, Professor John Reyes, and also the Swamiji from Ramakrishna Mission. I thank all the organizations like BAIF, Raman Vikas Trust, Prakriti Foundation, Vidya Pratishthan, Dhan Foundation, Root Setti, Mairada, who have supported for the 1-month field attachment of the students. I thank Professor Ilyas for his support to course on agro-processing and related field work. Most importantly, I place on record my sincere gratitude to organizations like SERV, Society for Elimination of Rural Poverty, Society for Rural Development Services, organizations like ILFS, Union Bank of India, Commissionerate of Rural Development, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Government of Gujarat, Union Bank of India for their support to PGDRDM student placement. I also thank General Manager and staff of IG Mint, Cherlapalli for timely support in minting the gold, silver and bronze medals. I also place on record excellent performance for the students of Bharati Vidya Bhavan who are here actually rendered 2 beautiful songs. Our blessings to them. I thank the Cultural Committee and the teachers of NIRD School for arranging this program. I thank parents of PGDRDM students for guiding and motivating their children to join this program. Especially, I thank the electronic media for their presence here to witness this event and report on it. I also thank our library for their continued support to the program. Finally, I thank our Director General, the Deputy Director General for their vision, commitment and support throughout, and also the NIRD faculty, administration, accounts, health center, maintenance, library, again, hostel staff, and all those who are involved in the process. They all contributed to the successful completion of PG Diploma program. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.
Having come to the end of the program, I now request the House to raise for the national anthem.
जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा
thank National Institute of Rural Development, Director General Sir, DGG Sir, the Center for Postgraduate Studies and IRD, and all the faculty members who have inspired me for this achievement of getting the reward of excellence in my academy. I really hope for the best for the future. It's really inspiring for me, and I will do my best to whatever I have learned that I will apply in the field. So, and I will always work for the poor and always believe in the capacity of the poor. That's what I have learned in this whole year, and I will apply